In this video, I'm showing you how to turn any trader's public data into an automated AI trading agent. You can take a pro trader's entire trading history, every entry, every exit, every strategy, and clone it using OpenClaw AI. I've been trading crypto for years, and this is absolutely insane. So stick around because I'm showing you the exact prompts and setup to do this yourself and connect it to your exchange. Let's get started. All right, so here's the concept. There are thousands of traders out there who publicly share their trades on Twitter, in Discord groups, or in public trading journals. They post their entries, their exits, their win rates, their strategies. Now, most people just scroll past this stuff. But what if you could take all of that data and feed it into an AI that learns from it? That's exactly what I'm going to show you how to do. You can find traders who publicly share hundreds of trades. And with OpenClaw, you can analyze all of that data and create an AI agent that trades just like them. Now, here's how OpenClaw works. You give it what's called a skill file or a strategy file. This is basically a set of instructions and rules that the AI follows when it trades. Think of it like a game cartridge. You have your OpenClaw AI agent and you can plug in different strategies. You're going to create a strategy file based on a real trader's past performance. And that creates what I'm calling a clone trader AI agent. So the first step is gathering the data. And you guys, there's so much public trading data out there that most people just ignore. Here's what you need to collect. Number one, trade history. This is every trade the trader posted publicly. Entry price, exit price, win or loss, position size. Number two, win rate. This is how often they win versus how often they lose. Number three, risk to reward ratio. This is how big their winners are compared to their losers. Number four, market conditions. This is the kind of market they trade best in, trending, ranging, or volatile. Number five, time frames. Do they trade on the 15-minute chart, 4-hour, or daily? Now, I've created a template document here that shows you exactly how to organize this data. You can see I've got columns for entry date, entry price, exit price, profit/loss, time frame, and market conditions. You can do this manually by going through their Twitter feed or trading journal and copying all their trades into a spreadsheet like this. Or you can use tools to scrape the data automatically. Once you have all this data collected and organized like this, you're ready for the next step. All right, so now that you have the data organized, you need to feed it into OpenClaw and tell it to analyze it. Now, I prepared all the prompts you need in this document right here. I'm going to walk you through each one. Here's the exact prompt you're going to use for the initial analysis. I have collected trading data from a professional trader. Here is their trade history. Analyze these trades and identify 1. Their average win rate. 2. Their risk to reward ratio. 3. What entry signals they use most often. 4. What time frames they trade on. 5. What market conditions they perform best in. Based on this analysis, create a trading strategy file that replicates their approach as closely as possible. So you're going to copy this prompt, paste it into OpenClaw, and then paste your trader data where it says paste your data here. Now what OpenClaw will do is analyze all that data and give you a breakdown. Once you get that analysis back from OpenClaw, you're going to use this second prompt. Create a strategy file based on this analysis. The strategy should only trade Bitcoin and Solana. Use liquidity sweeps as entry signals. Set stop loss at 1% and take profit at 2.5%. Only trade when volatility is high. Execute trades automatically on my exchange. Monitor the market 24/7 and log all trades, and OpenClaw will create the complete strategy file for you that you can use. For OpenClaw to actually trade for you, it needs to connect to your exchange account through an API. And the exchange I'm using for this is Blofin. If you don't have a Blofin account yet, click the link in the description below. You'll get up to 5 USDT just for signing up, plus up to 30 USDT in bonuses when you deposit. Step 1, create your Blofin account and deposit. Go to Blofin, sign up with your email, and make your first deposit. I recommend using TRC20 for USDT because it's fast and the fees are very low. Step 2, generate your API keys. Now go to your account settings and click on API. Click on Create New API Key and give it a name, something like OpenClaw Trading. You'll see your application name, your API key, and possibly a passphrase depending on the settings. Do keep in mind, These keys are extremely sensitive. Never share them with anyone. Here's a smart way to set this up. Enable trading permissions but leave withdrawal permissions disabled. That way, even if something goes wrong, your funds can't be withdrawn. Click Next and save your API key and secret key somewhere safe, like a password manager. Step 3. Connect OpenClaw to Blofin. Now open up OpenClaw and you're going to give it a prompt to connect to your Blofin account. Here's the exact prompt you'll use. I want you to connect to my Blofin Exchange account using these API keys. Once done, check my account balance so I can see that you truly have access to my account. And just like that, OpenClaw is now connected to your exchange and ready to trade. Step 4, activate your trading agent. Now here's the final prompt to get your Clone Trader AI agent running. Load the Trader Clone strategy file we created earlier. Use this strategy to trade Bitcoin and Solana on my Blofin account. Start with a $1,000 budget. Monitor the market 24/7 and execute trades automatically based on the strategy. Log all trades and send me a summary every 24 hours. All right, so now that you have your Clone Trader AI agent set up, I prepared some advanced prompts to optimize it. Prompt number 1, backtesting. Before you let the AI trade with real money, use this prompt to backtest the strategy. Backtest this strategy on Bitcoin and Solana price data from the last 6 months. Show me total number of trades, win rate percentage, average profit per winning trade, average loss per losing trade, maximum drawdown, overall profit/loss. Present the results in a clear table format. This will give you an idea of how the strategy would have performed in the past. Prompt number 2, risk management. Use this prompt to add better risk management. Add these risk management rules to the strategy. Never risk more than 2% of total account balance per trade. If 3 consecutive losses occur, pause trading for 24 hours. If daily loss exceeds 5%, stop trading for the day. Only trade during a high liquidity hours, 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. UTC. Prompt number 3, multi-trader strategy. Here's how you can clone multiple traders and run them in parallel. I want to run 3 different trading strategies in parallel. Allocate $500 to each strategy and track their performance separately. Send me a daily report comparing all 3 strategies. This way, you're diversifying your approach and not relying on just one strategy. Prompt number 4, strategy combination. You can also combine the best parts of multiple traders. I've analyzed 3 different traders. Trader A has the best entry signals that has 70% accuracy. Trader B has the best risk management with 2.5 to 1 reward ratio. Trader C has the best exit strategy that captures 80% of moves. Create a new strategy that combines entry signals from Trader A, risk management from Trader B, exit strategy from Trader C. This is where it gets really powerful. All right, so let me recap the exact steps you need to take to clone a trader's strategy with OpenClaw. I've created this complete checklist in the document that you can follow. Step 1, find a trader with public data. Look for traders on Twitter, Discord, or trading journals who publicly share their trades. You need at least 100 to 200 trades to analyze. Step 2, collect and organize the data. Use the template I showed you earlier to organize their trade history, entries, exits, win rate, risk to reward ratio, time frames, market conditions. Step 3, feed it into OpenClaw. Use prompt number 1 from the document to have OpenClaw analyze the data and create a strategy file. Step 4, connect OpenClaw to Blofin. Use the API connection prompt to connect OpenClaw to your Blofin account. Step 5, backtest the strategy. Use the backtesting prompt to test the strategy on historical data before going live. Step 6, start with a small budget. Let the AI trade with $500 or $1,000 and monitor the results. Step 7, optimize and scale. Use the advanced prompts to add risk management, combine strategies, or run multiple agents in parallel. All of these prompts are available in the document I've shown you throughout this video. I'll put a link to it in the description below so you can copy and use them yourself. And that's it, you guys. That's exactly how you can clone any pro trader strategy using OpenClaw and automate your trading. Look, I'm going to be real with you. This is the future of trading. If you're not using AI right now, you're going to be outcompeted by people who do. If you want to get started with Blofin and claim those bonuses, click the link at the top of the description. Remember, you get up to $5,000 in bonuses just for signing up and depositing, and it's completely no KYC. If you want a full walkthrough of how to use OpenClaw and manually trading with Blofin, check out the video popping on screen right now. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button and subscribe to the channel for more crypto trading tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.